What's going on, everybody? We're trying something new today. I got a frame mount for my GoPro 3 since it broke in the last video, and I have a little guest with me today to ride. So it's gonna be a short one because it's gonna be like 102 degrees today, and my guest rider's already getting out on the road. So we gotta go. Let's go.
Is it on?
Yep. Say hi, Kurt.
Hi.
We forgot your helmet. Problem solved. He's got his helmet now. You gotta remember that. Where you're going?
So, now what? Now what?
What do you mean now what?
That's it now.
Okay, let's go. Yes, he stole my handlebar bag. He wanted it on his, and I have no idea what he has in it. Not a clue. I know it's full.
Ah, he was going that way.
There he goes. Okay, Kurt. What's in your handlebar bag?
Hot Wheels in a book?
Hot Wheels in a book?
Yeah.
He's on his specialized rip rock. Thanks for watching the video, really appreciate it, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it so very much. There's also a Patreon now, so say goodbye.
Bye!
You can tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching!
Okay, see you on the next one.